A big hello to all my glam mom, planner moms, and all the people in the world. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, a big welcome and a hug from my end. So this video is all going to be about my Erin Condren. I'm going to walk through my life planner. This is the 2020 life planner from from January till December 2020 in the Kaleidoscope. My journey with Erin Condren started February of this year, but my love and relation with planning, journaling has been from when I was very young, as 14 years of age, 13, 14, I used to write diaries. So from then on, I love putting paper to pen, and I know, like, I totally believe in what you write, what you manifest, and I love taking things and getting my tasks done for the day. This has really given me planner peace, has made me more organized, has made me more less stressed, and has made me more happier. All right, so that's why I love planning, and if you have come here, you definitely know it's all about Erin Condren for me right now. And you can check a couple of videos I've already posted. Also, I'm having a giveaway in my channel. This is just to thank my subscribers. My birthday will be coming in June, so this is just to thank all my subscribers for being a participant, like, you know, always being there for me and for helping me out. So I thought, why not? I have collected a lot of points while shopping, so instead of using it for myself, I thought, why not let my subscribers try. So it's going to be 3 winners who would be getting $15 each e-gift card, and I would be announcing whoever would be the winner is after 7 videos. So this is the second video, and the first video was the petite planner, which I have posted last Thursday, so you can go and check that as well. It's very simple. All you need to do for participating is you just need to put down participate in my comments. You need to subscribe to my channel in my YouTube, and you need to follow me in Instagram. Also, you can comment, subscribe to my channel, and then for getting some extra points, you can tag your friends whenever I put the news feed or any stories in Instagram. You can just tag your friends so more people know. And this is not a sponsored video from Erin Condren or anything. I love the brand, and I love for people to try it, and I have enough points, so I thought, like, why not gift my subscribers. Okay, so enough with that. I hope you participate. 3 winners will be announced on the 8th video. So this is going to be the second video. 5 videos from now, I would be announcing the 3 winners. So maybe you're the lucky one. So why not just put down your participate, subscribe to my channel, because this is my second giveaway in my channel. I have a lot of giveaways regarding makeup, regarding childcare, a lot of different programs I have in my channel. So maybe that content, hotel stays, if such things like you enjoy, so I hope you consider subscribing. And if you subscribe, this also shows that you are showing interest, and I do better videos, and I try doing what you guys like. So all right, so to begin, this is how my planner looks like. As I mentioned, I started in February. I'm using the layers cover right now. This is one of my favorite covers now, and I'm so happy with Erin Condren that you can change. So these are the covers, can easily be changed by just clicking like that. I have many covers. I will definitely do a future video on the number of covers I have, but these are the covers that can easily fit into it. So right now I have around 6 or 7, and then during my birthday haul I'm planning to buy some more. And then I think they also have this tomorrow, the 26th, is the summer surprise box. I'm still deciding. I might be buying that as well, so I'll definitely have that haul video also for you. So it comes with this dashboard page, which you can write down with white marker, with the wet erase marker, but I never use it. And then this is the vellum page that comes with every planner, and then you can write down the way you want. So every year I want to pick up a word, so I've just put it like this. Today is another chance to get better, and commit is I just put one of the stickers from the Kaleidoscope. Commit is my word. So savings and health are the 2 things that I want to work this year, and then I've just put some stickers, right? If you walk in, then it says success means having the person you believe you are meant to be, so on. Now this is all about like, you know, these dots I've put for different purposes. I've put for the policy that for my baby that I have, it's like a insurance, that premiums I need to pay when. Also I have put about the expiry of my the Qatari ID card, about when my husband is off, and other stuff. So I have just put like a, here below I have put what exactly the color means, and I just keep my monthlies. So I put every day. So this is that page, and it's like you can plan, you can even see for a few months, 6 months of December, and then 2020. I hope 2021 will be better. This year feels so big, so long. Now this is prayer for the month. I use it for prayer for this year. Next year I plan to use it for my weight and body measurement part, all my measurements and weight part, because I have a wellness log if you have seen my previous video. But this, now what I use is, I use it for prayer. I just put down whatever prayer I would like to say. All is possible when you pray. God, please abide with me. When you pray, believe that you receive, never doubt Almighty, and so on. So I'm praying. Also I've mentioned in one extra is BOGO, the sales that they have, Erin Condren, if you guys are interested to know. They have a sale in March, in April, in May. August is the warehouse sale. September is the friends and family. Black Friday is in November, and there is 8 days of sales during December. So mine, after the summer surprise and my birthday haul, I would be definitely buying in September the friends and family sale, which is 25%. The big stuff I've already bought. Now these are something I've started, the words my baby says, and there are some more words that I need to put down. So I have put all of that here, and then at least by the time she turns 2, she should say 50 words. So it will be that. And let me add pink and green is something she does. Pink, green, or what else she says. Yeah, these are things you need to keep saying to her. Then she says blue. Yeah. So these are some of the words that she says. There are some more that I need to think about. I just started it yesterday, so I've written whatever I remembered. But basically, these are some words baby says. Then this was my launch day haul 2020-21 on the 27th April. So I just stuck it there. Alright. This is something I had planned that I would do it, like YouTube content ideas, bills to pay for January, exercise tracker, no expense challenge, and so on. I tried to do two so I could tick bills to pay. I'll show you now how it goes. Then it's just January, all about the. Now these are just miscellaneous pages. This is, I have just put my, what do you call, stickers in the ruler. And then travel must-haves for my baby. We were planning a trip in March before COVID to India. So those were the in flight, in train for us, things to buy and so on. Yeah. And these are just some breakfast options for my daughter. I had scribbled down there some of my, like, you know, these are like inventory of her diapers and formulas, which I do like every month. Now I need to do tomorrow inventory for Nuna's baby stuff. And then I had the pen test for gel pens. I also had a big pen test for the Sunrise, Ocean, Earth, Twilight Forest, and 10 pack. I also have the, what is this, the new one, the coral one. I don't know, the coral one, the pastel colors, something like that. So that one is my additional one. But I also have all the pen tests. Then February came. February, nothing much happened, just the marking of birthdays and so on. My husband's off. You can see February how busy he was. Then if any sickness or anybody touch wood, I've just put, like my daughter had loose motion, so I put that. Then again some lunch dinner options. These are good extra pages which I have, which I'm not, like I do any rough work and any things I want to try and all. So February was all about that. March, like February end I started it. So in March it was all about YouTube plan for March, whatever I had planned. Then this spending tracker. Yeah, so that also I didn't complete fully because this was for March. Then things, YouTube ideas, monthly goals and so on. And then March I had done the whole setup very nicely because we were going to go for vacation, so I had everything done, but this also somehow didn't work. Then I had started from Feb 24th. I had started because that's the time my planner came. So I used to do to-do, meal plan, day at a glance, and exercise, and so on. And then my scribble writing, baby's weekly schedule, so on. So this went on the whole of March. Yeah, those are personal stuff, so I cannot show a lot. Then March again, I had something called moments, and then I started writing prayer. And then I used to pray every day, create your own sunshine, so on, and different. This was a reflection page which I used this notes page for, putting a reflection for the last month. And then started the month of April. I had something like this month looks like, watching, note to myself. I was last month's success was that in February I had stopped my daughter sucking on a pacifier other than when she sleeps, so that was a big success. Then I had some other plans but which worked accordingly. Then all the birthdays for that month and anniversary I write down here. And then like other things, happiness does not depend on what happens outside of you. I put a nice quote here that month. And then I had again the whole April spread, you can see. Yeah, and then again a lot of things, breakfast, lunch, dinner, prayer for the day. This was our anniversary. I baked a cake almost after 16 years, so on. I used to eat like putting vitamins because I wanted to make it into a habit. I always forgot, so I used to put that. And then again the same baby's stuff. I use these washes to decorate it. This is my baby's work, and so on. Yeah, and like this from the whole month went. Then I started with something like YouTube planning, and then whatever content planning, and these are the ideas that I have, so I don't want to share it so you guys will not have a surprise, so on, you can see. Then I started putting entertainment, the programs that I watch, the book I'm reading, and the things that I'm learning. And then happy Mother's Day, my family members' birthdays, Lou's. And then I've been putting this May, I've been putting whatever money that we spent. 24th, today is 25th, we didn't spend anything, so we just take it's a zero expense challenge that I am doing. And then this is for a month of May, the spread, the current month. So all my husband's off and other things have been put. You can see how the spread looks. Again, I just use washes and stickers from that monthly sticker book from Erin Conran. And then again it went on like this. This part I had screwed up, so I had to fix it. So I put some post-it, some washi. It's like too much happening. So this was the launch day time. And then now I've started putting with baby some of the things that I do with her, and of course her poop and pees and all those things. Pees I don't mention, poops definitely, and so on. To-dos, birthday specials, and so on. Again the whole thing goes. This was Mother's Day and my niece's birthday. She was 3, so I had a small prayer for her. Same thing for my mother. And this is how the spread looks like that. And then again pray was the whole thing, which I had forgotten to put the tick. And then again this was last week. For me, I can't do plan with me for you guys in front because I don't have a proper, like, you know, the crafting pod. I just have a normal tripod which I can just, if I write and do it, it will not come so nicely. So maybe later in future when I upgrade, that's the time I can do plan with me. But now definitely please leave in the comments if you want to see how I use these, like then I can show you the spreads a week ahead. So to do all the to-dos and prayers. So today we are on the 25th. Whatever are the to-dos, whatever is the prayer, what are the things that we did, whatever is the baby schedule. And then now, before I used to put the meal plan here, but now I just write it in this. For this is only for the baby, and if anything finishes I just put it down here. We have a small grocery store, so I order from there. And this is like this video today I would be posting, so that is I'm pre-doing it. So good writing, yeah, I think this was a good writing day. This is definitely a good writing day. So let's see how tomorrow works, and so on. And then I have again some YouTube content planning. On the 12th I will be putting what I will buy for birthday. Next to next week's I still need to decide, and then definitely so on. YouTube and the number of subscribers as of 1st June, I'll mention that as well. And then entertainment, do leave in the comments if you want to see some videos in particular. I would definitely work on it. This month looks like what I'm watching. Basically I'm watching only Downton Abbey, but then in future I'm planning to watch This Is Us and Dawson's Creek. Things I'm planning to learn in the month of June is budgeting, baby recipes, and I want to have my own recipe book in which I would put some of the favorite recipes for the family and some from my friends and other channels. Julia Quinn, what I'm reading again, because I've read only few chapters of hers. And then June birthdays, what is my plan? Faith in, I love this quote, faith includes noticing the mess, the emptiness and discomfort and letting it be there until some light returns. And then a lot of my friends, I turned 36, my birthday and so on is there. Her Father's Day is on the 21st. Again, the zero expense tracker, save money. I love my June spread because June is a month where I have my whole family's birthdays and so on. So you can see my mum birthday, then my parents' anniversary, then my birthday, one of my very good friends from my Swiss days is Sugandha. We studied in Switzerland together, Father's Day, and my brother's birthday, and so on. So you can see how the spread looks like. I've put these again from birthday stickers. All stickers that you see here are from Erin Condren. This is that bookmark, and here you can see how it looks like again. Then if you go here, that's my mom's birthday, baby schedule I'll be putting, and then to do, and there is again washies there. Then my parents' anniversary, I need to work on doing some decoration there as well. Then again the following week, I already made for this whole month because yesterday since I was going to show it to you, so I thought why not do an empty spread. Again, to do, prayer, baby, and then I have a sticker there, and then again these are from Erin Condren. Yeah, hexagon washies. Now I think it's not available in the store. This is my birthday week, so again baby schedule, and then you can see these are the new layers washi, so beautiful they look. See, again this is from the Father's Day, a small for my father and my husband. Reasons we love you Papa, I still need to put this, and 36, and then just to do and whatever for the baby, and a small prayer. 18th of June, so you can see the spread how it looks. Also again baby schedule, but this was a screw up, had to be in better writing. So but I'm planning to have a social media, YouTube and Instagram, because weekly I want to post at least 2 posts in Instagram. So I'm going to mention the days and plan it. If you've seen my spread here, you see how the spread looks. If you've seen here, every Sunday, my husband's off, I record, or latest Tuesday, every Wednesday I edit, every Thursday I post, and I try pre-recording for a week. Now I want to add at least 2 posts over Instagram before, so please follow me in my life with BabyS. It's difficult again for me to do it while with shooting, but definitely I can prepare the spread and show it to you a week ahead. Again, this is the same prayer baby. Again, the spread looks the same, and so on. And then the same thing, then YouTube content planning for July 2020. These are the ideas that I'll have that time, and it's early, so I'll just show you quickly. Then I just added watching, reading, learning, and my weight, whatever are the measurements for that week I would do. Then again some birthdays. It's still early, so I've not done a lot. Again, this is one of my favorites month because my husband's birthday is there and my dad's birthday is there. My husband's on the 30th. This is the July spread. This is my best friend's son's birthday, and so on. My in-laws anniversary, my sister-in-law's anniversary on my dad's birthday, my cousin brother's birthday, and these are the days I post YouTube. So I've also worked on this spread. Here you can see this is my brother and my father's birthday, and so on. And then again YouTube content planning. Again on entertainment, I've also done for August the same thing, and zero expense tracker, baby Swadhinta, happy second birthday, we love you to the moon and back. This is all about my daughter's birthday. Yeah, so this is 3rd August is hers, so only that has been done. Again, my husband's is still in the last month, and I need to think about what things I can put here. And this is the most beautiful spread of my daughter's 2nd birthday. I think I will not be able to celebrate gallantly, but definitely here I would definitely do it. So it's all about her. Please keep her in your prayers and so on. So that's all I have worked on, the weekly spreads, because I have done it in advance, but I fill it up daily. Yeah, every night I sit with it. But I'll quickly show you even my September. I've not filled up the notes page, but the monthly I've just put the stickers already. There's again, all these stickers are from the monthly sticker book from Erin Condren. Here. So if you just get the planner and you get one of this, you are set for many of the stickers and washies, and all these boxes are here. So January, since I had not used February as much, so this is the sticker books that I've used. So for the month of September, I still have to do a lot on September because lots of birthdays and all are there. Again, my best friend, my brother-in-laws, everybody. So again, the September looks like this. October looks like this. October, I've already put a reminder for the visa and Sai Baba's birthday. And then still a lot of things to do in October. And same thing in November, I just have put the Qatari permit. There is Dhanteras and Diwali on this day, and I think 21st is the Chhat Puja, so on. Need to double check that and so on. And then you see this is, I've just made it in advance for Diwali, but let's see what will happen. Like, you know, means Diwali is sure, Dhanteras I think hopefully the same. So this is how the spread looks for that. This is how the spread looks for that. Again, this is all the same thing. Again, December looks like this. Yeah, this is how I've decorated December. It looks like, I love my Christmas Day spread. I'll just show it to you. So this is my Christmas is all set. Yeah, just to do and a prayer and so on. And New Year's is still remaining to do, and that's all the pages that I do. Then the notes pages that they have there, I use it for my budgeting purpose. And then I have had some pen tests, again some budgeting, and then again my baby's premiums. I had planned to do books that I read which never happened, some sketches that I did, and then again the access saving plan. If I've seen that every time I do save some money, I put a sticker on that, and then keeps going like that. And then you see how the stickers are at the end. So that's all my planner looks like. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please like, subscribe and share, and I hope you will participate in this giveaway. If you have been till here, please consider subscribing, hit the like button at the end, and thank you once again for watching my video. Please look forward for 2 hauls coming. One is for the upcoming my birthday time, and then one is for the spring surprise box, which we all are very excited. All right, take care, thank you, and take care of yourself. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, and keep praying. Better days are coming. We all human are connected, no matter where you're watching this, whether in States, whether in Dubai, whether in Qatar, whether in India, whether in Philippines, whether in Japan, China, any part of the world. We all are connected. We all are there to in this together. Best days are yet to come. So stay happy, stay positive. God bless. Take care.